Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can duet TikTok videos. We all know that duetting TikTok videos is one way you can use to increase your engagement on your TikTok account and also increase your followers as well. And it's one of the quickest and easiest way to grow your TikTok account because you're more like just reacting to videos. So guys, if you want to know more about how to duet TikTok videos, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, you tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, once in your TikTok app, you first of all check out for the video that you want to duet. You look for the video that you want to duet. So guys, let's say we want to duet this video right here. What you have to do is to tap on the share icon there. You can see it there below. You tap on it. Then over here we have three sections. This upper one, the middle one and the lower one. The lower one over here. So for you to duet this video, you have to check on the lower one. You're going to see the duet option. You can see it there. You tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. The video is processing. So guys, we are here now. There are actually different formats you can use to duet a video. You can actually use the top and bottom. This is the top and bottom format. You can see it where the video that you want to duet is at the top, then your own video is below. We also have the react format. You can see this is the react format where the whole screen contains your own video, while the person's video you're duetting is just at the side. You can actually shift the video that you're duetting to any position that you want. You can see it. You can adjust it. You can reduce the size if you want. So guys, the next format that you can use is the left and right format. You can see it over here. This is the left and right format. You can see your video is on the left hand side while the video you're duetting is on the right hand side. We also have the green screen. This is the green screen. So guys, here is the green screen format. You can see my face and you can see the video I'm duetting just behind me. You can see it behind me. So guys, you can see now there are different formats that you can use to duet your TikTok videos. The left and right. You can decide to use the top and bottom. You can decide to use the react, or you can decide to use this green screen I'm showing you right away. You can decide to use it. So guys, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the left and right format. This is the left and right format. So what you have to do is to go ahead to record your video. Let me tap on record. Tap on the record icon. You can see it has started recording. And let me keep making my video. As you can see, the video on the right, which is the video I'm duetting, is playing while I'm recording this video. You can see I'm making a record. So guys, let's see the video play out now. Let's check out the two videos. You can see the video I made on the left while the video I'm reacting to is on the right. You can see it. So guys, let me show you that feature that you can actually use to make this your duet video top notch. You can see on the right there are different features that you can use. There are different options you can use: the text, the stickers, the effect, the filters, the noise reducer, the voice over and the volume. So let's tap on the text. You can go ahead to write a text. This is a tutorial video. Let me write that. This is a tutorial video. You can decide to change the color if you want. You can decide to add a shade to it. So guys, you can see this is how you can actually use your text. Let me go over to the sticker. Let me type in a sticker. Input in a sticker. You can see we have different kinds of sticker here. You can decide to put a sticker or you search for a sticker over there at the top. So guys, this is the sticker. You can adjust the sticker to wherever you want the sticker to go to, and also you can choose an effect. Let me tap on the effect icon. You can see our effect is loading. So guys, you can see there are different effects that you can use. Under the trending, we have all of this. Let me go ahead to choose the shooting frame. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap save at the top. So guys, you can see this is the effect I just added. You can see the camera effect I added there. So guys, you can also use the filter option. Let me tap on it. So guys, as you can see, we have several filters that you can make use of. Let me go for the first one. No, the second one rather. I've gone to the second option. You can actually reduce the degree of the filter you're using. You can see how you can reduce it. Let me go for the F2. You can see the F2, the color has actually changes the effect. So once you're done choosing an effect, you can tap on done, or you can decide to put it back to normal. So let me tap on done at the top. So guys, you can see now you can also reduce noise by tapping on the noise reducer effect. You can tap on it there. You can see noise reducer is on. You can see I've marked it on. You can also put in a voice. Let me put in a voice over this video that I've just made. So if you want to put a voice over, you tap on record. Let me tap on it. So guys, then you tap on the record icon. So let me put in a voiceover. So guys, this video is awesome and I believe you've gotten value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you're gonna get notified whenever. So guys, when you're done recording your voiceover, you tap on done. So guys, you can see here there is a notification over here. If you're recording, you can actually tap on it. This is where you can balance the voiceover and the background sound. You can see you can balance them. You can decide to reduce the background sound and increase the voiceover, or reduce the voiceover and increase the background sound, or tamper as well with the original sound. So guys, this is how you actually balance the sound. So guys, once you're done, you tap on done and you tap on save at the top. Tap on it. You can see it's loading up. So guys, the next one we have to use, the last option, is the volume button. You can tap on it and you can decide to increase the added sound, which is the voiceover, or you increase the original sound. So guys, once you're done with that, you tap on done. So guys, the last option I'm going to show you guys is the privacy setting. You can actually decide who can see this video. So let me tap on it. You can see here you can decide to set the video to only you, where only you'll be able to see it, or you decide to set it at friends, where your friends on TikTok will see it, or you decide to set it at everyone, whereby everyone on TikTok will be able to see the video. So let me leave it at everyone. So guys, when you're done with every other thing you're doing here, you tap on next. You can see there at the bottom right corner, you tap on it. So guys, this is where we're going to put our description. You can get here to put your description. Let me tap on it. This is a tutorial video. So guys, once you're done putting your description, and you can go ahead to put hashtags that you like. Let me put these hashtags, Phonomobile hashtags. You can decide to tag people if you want to tag people. You can see here, you can decide to input your location. You can see it there. So guys, when you're done setting all of this here, you just tap on post. So let me tap on post. So guys, as you can see, our video is uploading. You can see there it's 99% uploaded. Let's get to wait for it to become 100% uploaded. Wow, it has gotten to 100. So guys, let's go over to our TikTok profile so you can view the video. So guys, you can see this is the video we just uploaded. That's the first video. Let me tap on it. So guys, this is the video that we just made. You can see, actually you can use your real face to duet this video if you want. I just used the background in my house to actually show you what it means to duet a video on TikTok. So guys, let me increase the volume so that you can get to hear the sound of the video. So guys, this is how you can actually duet your TikTok video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye, peace.